Information to show that crimes were committed both by persons from the Gaddafi regime and by the rebels. However, we have not yet heard of prosecutions of any Gaddafi opponents, including those who were involved in exacting revenge against the former Libyan leader. Questions also remain regarding possible crimes committed by senior officials of those states involved in the NATO-led operation. All cases of disproportionate and indiscriminate use of force during the conflict causing civilian casualties should be investigated. The prosecutor's remit includes determining any crimes committed by all parties to the conflict to determine if there were signs of criminal acts, like crimes against humanity and war crimes. In this context, we deem it important to continue assessing the data received from the Human Rights Commission of Inquiry and from NGOs and from other channels to look at the future work of the International Criminal Court based on Resolution 1970. We take note of the expressed desire of the Libyan authorities to hold a prosecution of Saif al-Islam al-Gaddafi accompanied by assurances of the commitment of the Libyan government to the high standards of justice. We consider that the prosecution of those most serious crimes, according to international law, is first and foremost the remit of the particular state. The jurisdiction of the ICC complements but does not replace national jurisdiction. It is also clear that governments are not always in a position to cope with this on their own. One obstacle in particular to this can be the lack in the country of a viable judicial system functioning in line with international standards. In this case, however, the main issue is whether the Libyan authorities are taking real steps to investigate crimes committed. We are seriously concerned about reports from Libya of the aftershocks of conflict resulting in further crimes being committed and violence. We once again underscore the importance of upholding the appropriate legal guarantees when enforcing justice in a post-conflict period. In our opinion, the ICC must facilitate implementing this. We are closely following the work of the ICC in this area. Thank you, Mr. President.
I thank the representative of the Russian Federation for his statement.